Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you are new to PowerPoint, then you may be wondering what a keyboard shortcut is. A keyboard shortcut lets you press a combination of keyboard characters to execute a command instead of clicking a button in the ribbon or the quick access toolbar. While you may never really use them, many users who type significant amounts of text find it tiresome to always reach for their mouse. These users may favor the use of keyboard shortcuts instead, as it lets them perform many commands while keeping their hands on the keyboard. Keyboard shortcuts typically involve holding down either the Control or Alt key on your keyboard and then entering another keystroke or set of keystrokes. Then release the Control or Alt key. You can see any available Control key keyboard shortcuts in these small pop-up windows that appear when you hold your mouse pointer over any command function in the ribbon. These are called screen tips in PowerPoint. However, not every command function has a corresponding Control key keyboard shortcut. In these cases, you can use the Alt key to enable the key badge system in PowerPoint. You can then use the key badge system to enter a sequence of keystrokes. Let's look at how to use the key badge system in PowerPoint. First, press the Alt key on your keyboard to show a set of key badges next to the objects in the ribbon and quick access toolbar. Then press the key on your keyboard that corresponds to the command function to show or execute. Continue pressing the corresponding key badges that appear until you press the key badge for the final command function to execute. If you happen upon a drop-down menu when entering key badges or your key badge work opens a dialog box, don't worry. You can execute a command in a dialog box or in a drop-down by looking to see if the command function to execute has an underlined letter in its name. If it does, press the key on your keyboard that corresponds to the underlined letter. That is the same thing as pressing a corresponding keyboard key when you see a key badge. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to change the highlighted selection in many drop-down menus. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard to accept the highlighted choice.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.